Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the face puzzle TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab. It's right next to your Home tab. It's got a little magnifying glass next to it. Click on Discover. Then go to the top of the page where it says Search. Go ahead and click on the search bar and type in Face Puzzle Effect. All one word, no spaces. Then you're going to want to look through these videos and find a video that is using the face puzzle effect. Click on this one top left. You can see that in the bottom left hand side, right above the hashtags and comments, it says face puzzle next to the magic wand. That is the icon. Go ahead and click on the icon for face puzzle. That's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go right underneath the name face puzzle. It says add to favorites. Go ahead and click on add to favorites. Now this effect is added to your favorites and you can use it anytime. You can also start filming your TikTok video directly from this page by clicking that camera icon down at the bottom center of the screen, and when you film you will be using the face of puzzle effect. However, if you want to save the effect for later, you can just back out until you return to where you want to be. Go ahead and click on Me, bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then to the right of where it says Edit Profile, you're going to see this little bookmark icon. Click on the bookmark icon. And if you swipe all the way to the right where it says Effects, you can see all of your effects that you have stolen from other TikTokers. Right there, Face Puzzle is at the top. You can go ahead and click on Face Puzzle. And then now it brings you back to the same page that we were on before, where of course you can click the camera icon to go ahead and start filming using the face puzzle effect. Hope this video helped you out on how to get the face puzzle filter from TikTok. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.